Good morning, good evening to all my friends around the world. To my first actual episode of doing stuff on the Absolute Madman channel. But I do have an Elite Trainer box that I will show off to you guys. Ooh. Let's open it. So what you can get in these Elite Trainer boxes is an Ogerpon. This is the Pokémon Center exclusive ones. Twilight and Masquerade. What you get in these is 11 packs, an Ogerpon AR promo, both. Actually, the box itself in all its glory. Sorry for the scuffness. This is my first episode. Or not really episode, just a batch of cool videos that I kind of want to plan on doing on this channel. Don't know if I will continue doing Pokemon, but if you guys like it, I probably will. Anyways, as I was saying, you can get an assortment of cool cards in my opinion. I like this set. Twilight Masquerade, as you can see, in all its glory. Box is open. The 11 packs. Here is the AR card. I'll figure out how to put it or focus it better. This is the Pokemon Center one. I think you should get the regular one too, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the regular one. Comes in all ETBs, the regular one. Only... yeah. Difference is Pokemon Center logo on the right side. Energies, dividers, the nice sleeves, and a code card for the ETB itself. Actually, I think there's another. Dice, poison, and fire damage counters. Let's get into the packs, yeah? Honestly, I don't know if I want to do much on this channel other than, goof around and just do some silly stuff, I might play games, I might do stuff. This is honestly a test, if anything. But it is my first official video that I have or will be putting out soon. That being said, let's get into the packs.
Pokemon.
Bella Bolts. You can give me luck. First pack, Twilight Masquerade. Code card for all you people who do the TCG. Basic Energy. Reliquid. Crawdont. Farfetch'd. Torkoal. Tatsugiri. Fraffrig. Rhyfort. Ducklet, Lyron, and Tinglu. Nothing special in that pack, but we progress. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this channel. I just want to basic energy. Shinx, but as I said, I don't really know what to do. Clefairy, Varoom, Volbeat, Festival Grounds, Glamora, Poliwrath, Tangrowth, and never mind. Tangrowth, Okidogi, and Alakazam. Nothing. Got back on the trip. Decide to open Pokemon card. Yippee! Let's hope. Mine. Code card. Fire Energy. Yeah. Corphish. Grookey. Finizen. Lana's Aid. Leafeon. Reverum. Rhyfort. Flabebe. And Arcanine. Sort of jet lagged. All that jazz. Go card. Energy. Applin. That's something. Spoiled. Swirlix. Litwick. Poochyena. Glaceon. Sandslash. Iron Bundle. Diplin. Excuse me. Torkoal and nothing. I thought there was something. Win some, you lose some. And code card. Anyways, Psychic Energy. Kadabra. Halucha. Tangrowth. Sorry if I'm butchering these names. Venipede. Or don't know any of them. Or don't know how to say them, I mean. Diplin. Chi-Yu. I do actually play the Pokemon game, so not the TCG. Lucky Helmet. Tadbud. Bulb. Jesus. Floette. EX. And it is Teal Mask. Oh no. Cornerstone. Mask Ogre Pawn. That's a cool card. All its glory. Metal Energy. Luxio. Goldeen. Dreepy. Sandygast. Hazel. Brute Bonnet. Palm, Jesus, brain. Luxio. Keep in mind, I just came from Trip, Crawdont, and Walking Awake. Pack 7 out of 11. Gold card. Dark Energy. Flabebe. Timber. Aeron. Spinarak. Lucian. Darmanitan. Carmine. Oh, that's the card. Art rare. Not art rare, but secret art rare. That's really good. And Kyrian, I like both of them. Honestly, I like all trainer cards. Spinarak. Aeron. And Chandelure. Shoot. Code card. Also, I kind of wanted to do this channel just so I can practice my talking and general stuff. Did that wrong. Hopefully I get it. Just because I got nothing from that slot, doesn't mean I can not get an art rare. Anyways, let's see. Poliwhirl. Tangela. Mayana. Reverum. Florges. Shinx, and a Glaceon. Nothing. Code card. Yeah, this is very scuffed. Very, very scuffed. But we did I? Oh, I didn't. Okay, cool. Ooh, saw something. Basic energy. Well, not basic energy, psychic energy. Wattrel. Glimmet. Thwacky. Heliolisk. Jesus. Rillaboom. Handheld fan. Morpeko. Thwacky. Chimchar and Screamtail EX. Not bad hit. Basic energy. Oops, psychic energy. Again. Sandshrew. Darumaka. Apom. Poliwag. Swanna. Bellibolt. Snorlax. Ooh, that's not bad, not bad. Secret box. Secret box. One more pack. Shoot. Yeah, my last pack. Hopefully it's something big. Hopefully. Ooh. Hope. Like and or comment. But hey, that helps and I really appreciate it. Give me feedback. Honestly, this video is so scuffed. Dark Energy, Feebas, Vulpix, Eevee, Girafarig, Bug Catching Net, Aggron, Clefable, Eevee again, Hisuian Arcanine, and a Zapdos. Unfortunate. Oh god. Not the greatest box, but hits were not the worst. Got a Cornerstone EX, Ogerpon EX, Screamtail EX, and a secret box. I do have sleeves, guys, but I'm not using them. It's probably making you cringe. Anyways, see y'all probably in the next video. I'm probably going to condense this down, but this was my first ever video on this channel. Sorry with the low esteem and stuff. Oh god. Sick. Got off the plane a couple minutes or hours ago. Drove home, did this. All the jazz. But yeah, I might do more of these if I feel like it, or if I ever buy more Pokemon cards. But yeah, peace.